Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Yes, very good morning to all of you. Your English class time, and today I will take your revision because you know that your exams will be starting from tomorrow. Your exams will be starting from tomorrow. Assessment, yes. So, today I will be revising your grammar, English grammar, okay? All of you will tell me the answers. I will write the question over here and all of you will try to tell the answers through chat box, okay? All of you will try to answer me through chat box. Okay, all of you can take out your copy and write it down, okay? Without taking the help of your book, you can, all of you just take out your copy and note all of these down. And tell me the answers, try to tell me. I am here writing the heading, all of you will write it in your copy and you will do it and then tell me through your chat box. The same thing. আমি তো নিজেই ব্যাপারটা মানে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা Put a tick against those group of words which are sentences. And put a cross against those which are not. Okay, so I am writing one by one. All of you will do this in your copy. Appu was a little elephant. It will be tick or cross. Oshmit, yeah, okay. Ahanab, I will tell you about that, okay? Oshmit, Lisa, yes. Purbayon, yes, correct. So, Appu was a little elephant. This is a proper sentence. So, it will take a tick. This is a correct sentence. This is a proper sentence. Number 2. about your assessment, there will be 20 MCQ questions as scheduled before, and 20 MCQ questions that will be easier ones and from the syllabuses that I have already told you, and it will be of 20 minutes. That was the pre-scheduled time. 20 MCQ questions and 20 minutes of time. That will be MCQ, very easy questions you will find over there, and the syllabuses of your PT1 you will gonna have it. Yes, Lisa. Ayushi, Purbayon, correct. So, are eating their noodles. This is not a proper sentence. So, it will take a cross. I want to have answers from all of you. Yes, and I can see some of are giving answers but some of are not. I want to have answers from all of you, because these are the things I have already done. A bird, number 3 in a bird, and number 4. Number 3, can you tell me of number 3? Mark it with number 3 or number 4. Which one you are giving answers? Yes, Sujan, you can write it in your copy. Don't worry. All of you will write it in your copy. Write it in your copy and then tell me the answers. Yes, third number cross. Very good. Third number is not a proper sentence. Yes, Oshmit. Yes, mark with 3 or 4, then tell me the answers, then I will be able to understand which one you are telling. Yes, 4, tick, very good. Like that's how, very good. 4, a bird is sitting on the fan, this is a tick. This is a proper meaningful sentence. Yes, Devopriya. All of you are giving correct answers. Very good. Okay. Then I am erasing and I am moving forward with the next one. Next exercises. Now come to page number 2. You can now open the book and you can take help from the pictures over there. You can see the pictures. You can take help from the pictures over there, and I will give you the fill in the blanks. You will see the picture and tell me the answers. Okay. By taking the help of the pictures, you will tell me the answers. So then I am erasing now. See the board properly, but here from our side, here it is no problem, dear. Shujan, you cut the call and then rejoin. And all of you, switch off the cameras. Ayan Ghosh, Amartya Niyogi, switch off the cameras. Ayan Ghosh, Amartya Niyogi, switch off the cameras. Then all of you can see me clearly. Yes. Kritika, good, very good. Ayan Ghosh, switch off the camera. I am telling you again and again. Sujan also. Sujan, Ayan Ghosh, switch off the camera. Add suitable words. Add suitable words to complete these sentences. You can take help from the picture. So open your book and turn to page number 2. You can see all the pictures over here. The fill in the blanks I am giving. Take the help from the picture and then tell me the answers. I am giving you one by one. Fill in the blank with suitable word. I am just writing with my numbering. You will tell me the answer with my numbering. Here this is in number 1. So you will write it in number 1. Then tell me the answer. Yes, good. Ayan, Kaustav, Ahanav, Sujan, good. So number 1, here in my numbering it is in number 1. Yes, Lisa, good. So she is washing. Try, all of you try to tell me the answers. I want to know from all of you. Sujan, it is not in number 3 in my board. It is in number 1. I am not giving according to the book. Mother is in the try to tell me by numbering. This is in number 2. So try to tell me the answer using number 2. Yes. Shamridho, Oshmit, Lisa, Ayushi, good. Ayush. Ahana, yes. Sujan, so in number 2, mother is in the. And let's see other ones. What other ones have to say? Yes, Kaustav, Purbayon, and let's see. I will write the answers at the last. And as I am seeing, all of you are giving correct answer. Ahanab mentioned this is number 3. Then I will be able to understand. Yes. Okay, very good. And I will write the answers at the end. Number 4. The clown is dash on an elephant. Yes. Yes, Oshmeet, Ayush, Kaustubh, Lisa, Ahana, Devapriya, all of you are correct. Shamrit, very good. So, in number 2, it will be mother is in the kitchen. All of you have given correct answers. Very good. The dash gives us milk. All of you have given correct answers. This also. The cow gives us milk. And number 4, the clown is sitting. Yes. Yes, all of you. Very good. Very good. Now will I erase now and I will give next set of exercises. Will I erase now? I am erasing. Yes, I have seen Purvayon that. Okay, very good. All of you have given correct answers. And listen, all of you will go through once with Shongita ma'am and Mohua ma'am's e-portal chat box. All of you will definitely open Shongita ma'am and Mohua ma'am's chat box. Okay? Heard all of you? And I am telling again that all of you will definitely open the e-portal of Shongita ma'am's and Mohua ma'am's chat box. Okay? Today all of you will open. Yes, all of you will open today Shongita ma'am and Mohua ma'am's chat box. Okay, yes, and don't forget to open. Don't forget to see their chat box. All of you will. Yes, Ayush, I am telling again that all of you will go through the e-portal of Mohua ma'am and Shongita ma'am's chat box. Do not forget to check that. Okay? Today you will all of you see. Don't forget. Now, all of you give me your present. Sir, will you take the present or I will take? Will you take the present or I will take? মানে প্রেজেন্টটাকে আপনি নিন। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমি ক্লাসটা একটু কন্টিনিউ করব। Put a full stop or a question mark at the end of these sentences. Okay? Yes? Okay, I have seen that you have given, all of you have given present. 28, sir, that's good. 28 तो डेट. Okay, I have taken all of your present. Now let's do in winter many birds come to this lake. So it will be a full stop or a question mark. Let me know. Yes, very good. Yes, number 1, full stop. In winter, many birds come to this lake. I am not asking anything, so it will take a full stop. This is a simple statement. Yes, Ahanav, Devoshmita, Devapriya, Oshmit, very good. Kaushik, all of you are correct. Come to number 2. Can we see some cranes? In the lake? What it will take, tell me. What it will take? Yes. Number 2, question mark. Yes, Samriddha, Purbayon, Devapriya, Devoshmita, very good. So it will take a question mark, and because through this sentence I am asking something. Yeah, good. Now number 3. The cranes come here from Siberia. It will take, yes, Samriddha, Devoshmita, Oshmit, Lisa, Purbayan, good. Shujan, very good. The cranes come here from Siberia. This is just a simple statement, so it will take a full stop. Okay. This is okay. Today I have taken a revision class up to this, and the next class I will also take revisions. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you